Hello peeps from near and far. My apologies that I have rolled over to the weekend. I did say these things could happen, and so I hope you understand. Regarding the house sale, unfortunately, we are not at advocates yet. We're just waiting for an electrical report. I've been offering for a couple of weeks to book it, but my agent kept saying the seller had it in hand. Unfortunately, due to some personal circumstances, they dropped the ball and I ended up having to do panic calls and trying to book someone. That cost us a week delay in something that could have been easily avoided. In addition to that, we found ourselves dropping about 28K from our agreed price as the buyer has concerns of future works to the house. All reports so far have come up as suggested repairs of 12K plus VAT. However, she is concerned about future items related to windows. So whatever, we just gave up. At this point, we are crossing fingers to leave the process at advocates. That way they can complete on our behalf without us having to pay for a power of attorney. But we had emptied a lot of rooms this week. We are going to have a tour of the attic. Here we go. So here I am in the attic. This is one of the rooms that is absolutely completely empty. The only thing left to sell is going to be that big TV that's coming around now. And my husband says that he has already someone interested. But this is a massive room. And as you guys can see, let me give you a panoramic view. It has been emptied in its entirety. And that's one of the things that we achieved on Monday this week. And as I mentioned on my reel, a lot of things been going to the Douglas Civic Amenities side. From there, items get crunched and incinerated, and these are the things that can be donated, given away, or resold. So a lot of time things that you really don't have the time for. So here is what the disposing area looks like, and you can see that everything is classified by what type of items you are disposing of. We've done well this week, emptying the attic, the greenhouse, the tool shed, and making a plan about the garage. My husband also got cracking with giving away and packing some of his clothing, but he is not done yet. Still lots to do. We reckon we have 6 more boxes to pack for the container, and everything else is either suitcases, sale, donation, or disposal. I am very tired, and we all have been battling a chest cold. Plus, my son had a sleepover last night, and I don't think these kids plan on sleeping at all. Plus, they ate their weight in food. But my son had fun, which is all we hope for, right? Hopefully next week will be a little less chaotic and we can start seeing more lights at the end of this tunnel. As usual, thank you for your support. Like and subscribe, post any comments below, share with your friends, and thank you for watching.